Artificial intelligence floats around all phases of our lives, and we couldn't appreciate the technology further. From big businesses to individual lives, the tide of AI has leveled it all. Here we'll investigate what AI has in store for businesses and why it's no longer a luxury but a requirement in 2020. Artificial intelligence has knitted itself into our lives in a way that it doesn't even appear out of the box anymore. From chatbot function to email filtration and to customized product recommendations or predictive search, Onpassive AI is directly related to all business success nowadays. Having said that, there's a lot of uncertainty that revolves around this buzzword. For that, let's begin from scratch. Role of AI in different industries. AI has effortlessly blended itself into various business processes. Not only it makes our business lives simple, but it also completes tasks in a much more effective fashion. Though it is still in its adolescent stage in several ways, here's the best part. We generate approximately 2.5 quintillion bytes of data each day. And nothing but AI can process and acquire meaning from it. Here's what AI can do for your business success. Market and customer insight, process automation, virtual assistants, efficient data usage, enhanced customer experience. But why Onpassive is crucial to your business success? Budget-friendly. The best part about Onpassive AI is that it is for everyone. From SMEs to Fortune 500 companies, Onpassive has something for all. Hence, you do not need to wait for high incomes to be capable of incorporating AI solutions. You can do it right now. Automating the marketing process aids in increasing sales. New age marketing demands you to display those products to the customers that they desire to see. And automating the marketing process helps that. Onpassive AI makes it simpler to learn the patterns of consumers and market the products, respectively. The chatbots also perform a significant role in transforming the customers who visit the organization's website to actual sales. Onpassive AI smoothens the marketing process and shoots sales with customized product recommendations, targeted ads, price adjustments, remarketing strategies, and several more techniques. Enhances work efficiency. When you eliminate repetitive tasks from the to-do list of your workforce, they're compelled to concentrate on what they do best. And this improves productivity. Onpassive AI operates best when it works hand in hand with human intelligence. Unlike humans, Onpassive AI does the same task day in and day out without losing focus. This makes business processes even more efficient. Makes it easy to handle inventory. The most significant issue with managing inventory is that every time you have to get it just right. You must have suitable stock to not fall short but also not have it in abundance that it empties your cash. Onpassive AI is here to get it right for you. It can automate the refilling requests by foretelling the future buying behavior of the consumers. Hence it will help you to keep your business operating, stock the right products just when you need it, and reform turnaround times. Fraud prevention and data protection. Human mistake is unavoidable, but you cannot afford it always. You can consume all your time identifying frauds and defending your data, but still, there will be loopholes left. So what do you do in this case? The accomplice of AI, that is, the machine learning, operates by learning from experiences and recognizing the process. And that's precisely what is needed here, cracking the patterns and sending signals when it starts. Automated communication between consumer and business. There's no disputing the fact that communication is actually the key when it comes to the business-customer relationship. This process can be automated by Onpassive AI. Machine learning algorithms learn from experience and interact with customers in a personalized manner. Onpassive AI is a necessity nowadays that can help you achieve your business success by decoding vast sets of unstructured data. The information acquired from this data can bring revolution over all industries.